The Supreme Court has slammed the government in the Hassan Ali Khan case. The Supreme Court has asked the government why he should not be investigated, why his passport case should not be investigated by the CBI, and also why other panel provisions like FREMA and money laundering cannot be framed against him. The Supreme Court observation reads, on the basis of the information collected by ED, it seems there is an angle of arms terrorism and national security. In fact, why POTA cannot be invoked against him. The matter has been adjourned till the 18th of March. Let's get a word from our legal correspondent Ashok Bagra. He's getting us that breaking story from outside the Supreme Court. Ashok, the Supreme Court taking an unusually harsh stand in this case.
Well, yes, in fact, the Supreme Court has from the beginning taken a very strong view in this matter, and today it was when the hearing began, it was the Solicitor General of India who made a couple of submissions by stating that Hassan Ali Khan's custodial interrogation will be sought by the Enforcement Directorate, and he would want to apprise the court on the further developments in this case in the next 10 days. But the court was not convinced by this and had a few suggestions to make to the Solicitor General, like why the passport cases against Hassan Ali Khan should not be investigated by the CBI. They also asked the Enforcement Director, in fact, they have also asked the central government to see whether other penal provisions besides the Money Laundering Act, FEMA, others cannot be attracted against Hassan Ali Khan. And before concluding the hearing in this case, they have said that they want a status report by Enforcement Directorate and IT Department to be filed by March 18th.
Right, Ashok, the Supreme Court reprimanding the government in that case. But the fact is that the Enforcement Directorate till now hasn't even been able to track that alleged $8 billion that Hassan Ali Khan has stashed away in the Swiss bank.
As far as the finer points of the investigations are concerned, they were not discussed here in the Supreme Court. But yes, the case of the petitioner, that is Mr. Ram Jethmalani, is that for the last 4 years, the Enforcement Directorate has been dragging its feet in investigating Hassan Ali Khan, and they also tried to make out a case by saying that there was an ED officer, Mr. A.K. Singh, who in his cross-examination in a proceeding had said that in the last 3 years they have not investigated the money trail of Hassan Ali Khan. So all in all, the case of the petitioner here is that ED, until last week when the Supreme Court cracked the whip on ED, the ED was actually dragging its feet in this case.